Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Wyze wireless gaming headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your headset is not working or not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not pairing or syncing to Bluetooth, anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. If nothing works and you decide you need a new headset, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set of headphones at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to set these headphones up like they're brand new, wipe all the pairing history off of them, reset them, reconnect them to the app as a new set and all that kind of stuff, we can go ahead and do that. It's really easy. All we need to do is make sure that our headphones are turned off and they have a decent amount of battery in them. Then we're just going to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds, and we can actually hold the earphones up to our ears while we're doing this, and after about 15 seconds you will hear it will actually say factory reset once the reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead and set these up as a brand new set of headphones.